60 grand a month passive income using AI. It sounds ridiculous, doesn't it? And I appreciate that. But in this video, I'm going to share with you that it isn't ridiculous and it is possible. So I'll take you on a little bit of a journey in how I came to this place. And I'll also share with you all of the tools and resources so that if you like this method, then you can go ahead and set it up yourself. Okay. So let's dive into the video. Hello and welcome to today's video. And before we dive in, if you are using AI in any way, shape or form to earn online, boost your productivity, then comment down below and let me know about it because I'm always looking into, new ways of earning online, especially with AI, and we'll do some case studies. So I went ahead and I found this post in one of the Facebook groups and it's just mind-blowing to say the least, okay? So this was over in the SEO Signals Lab, okay? And someone here, you can see this website published 20,000 pages in 2 months, and this generates 12 million organic traffic visitors to their website, and it's making over 60 grand a month in passive income, which it just sounds nuts, doesn't it? And if we break it down, we can see this is the timeline, okay? Someone bought this domain, or the name of the website, in 2023. In July, they put one article on that website, okay? In August, they published 5,000 articles, which sounds a lot, but if you're using AI, it's not by any stretch of the imagination. In September, so far, they've published 15,000 articles, and they generate 12 million visitors, according to SEM Russia, okay? And you can go down and have a look at it. And this person over here said, look, this is the most spectacular website growth I've ever seen online since 2008. Welcome to the world of possibilities with AI. It's crazy, isn't it? But just because I saw a post in a Facebook group didn't mean, I just take it as a fact. I went ahead and did a bit of research. So, first of all, the website we're looking at is this one over here. This one. Would you look at that and think 60 grand a month? Because I know I certainly didn't. However, they are making money at this moment in time from this down here. AdSense, and they have a lot of ads on this website, by the way. So how they're doing this, you can see on here, this is the type of content they are creating. It's anything and everything. They've got these different categories along the top, and then they're getting all of this content ranked in Google from using really long tail keywords. So you can go through and have a look at any of these, okay? But if we was to go into one of these, I mean, what is this? Who is Sky Daily? I click on it, I've got an annoying ad, okay? Let me get rid of that. Scroll down here, look. Who is Sky Daily? And it comes down, right? And it gives us this. This is the article. Another ad. Another ad. I mean, blimey. But if I scroll down here, you can see there's not a lot of content going in here. Look, I'm at the conclusion already. That's the article done. Another ad. That's it. It's crazy. So they're producing I say articles. They're producing these really short articles, and you can see we've got recent news over here. So again, if we go into any of these, we can see what they're doing. But they're not putting a lot of content in here, right? So that's the website. So I thought I'll do a bit more digging because it's been around since July. So for this, I went over to this website called Similar Web. And you can, over on this website, you can put in the name of any website and it will show you there, as you can see down here, their global ranking, country rank, and even category rank, okay? We can see they're based over in India. According to this, they've got 11 to 50 employees. And then if we scroll down here, we can see, look at this. Total visits, 4.7 million visits. It even shows you how long people are on the website for. Scroll further on the page here, and then you'll see this graph over here, look. So in June, July, and then look at that, it's just taken off. It's insane, it really is. And then even more so, we can even see the countries. So we can see on here, the US, India, Canada, UK, Australia. It gives me the demographics, so I can see the age groups on here and other bits, okay? So we now know this AI website is in Google. It's getting, as you can see over here, a lot of visits. It's earning ridiculous money in passive income from that. And it's just crazy, isn't it? Because when you look at the website, it doesn't look like anything in particular. It doesn't look that great, does it? But it's making money. It doesn't matter how it looks, okay? So that's the website, 60 million a month. Sorry, $60,000 a month in passive income from all of these ads, okay? So how could you do this yourself? How could we get to 60 grand a month? Well, from looking at this over here, and we can see they've had 15,000 articles so far in this month. It's a numbers game, isn't it? It's a case of how much content we can get onto a website. Now, I have an AI website, which is all it's all done by AI, and it's in the niche of AI. I'll show you this website now. So if I come over to here, let's just go over here and I'll show you it. Now, I'm doing this not to the same extent of those guys by any stretch of the imagination. So this is my website. It's all about, as you can see on here, making money with AI. We have product reviews on here, affiliate marketing, side hustle, and blog. Anything, any side hustle, any different way we can use AI to make money. Then I have got articles going out on this website, and you can see on here we've got some that are a bit shorter reads, and we've got some that are a bit longer. Now for this, it's all automated. So all I have to do is I say to the software that I'm using, go ahead and create me content around X, Y, and Z, and it will do that for me. So I'll show you the software now, and I'm sure you've seen it before because I've recommended it and shared it in a number of videos from whenever I'm doing this, okay? So if I come over here, this is the website. It's called AI Wise Mind. I'll put a link to this down below. It will take you over to my website so you can see more about it, see the pricing and all the different things it does. So you can see here an hour ago we had this review article go out, we had an informational article go out, we have got Amazon articles and lots more. But how it works is you literally connect this software to your website. If you don't know how to do that, they've got tutorials down here. Here in the resources, they've got videos showing you how to do all of this up and set it up. Even if you are a beginner and you've never done anything with websites before, realistically, it will take you about an hour from start to finish to set this up and connect it to the software over here. Once you've got your website connected, you come over here and you click on New Campaign. What sort of campaign do you want? Do we want an informational post, an Amazon product review, and where it says other product reviews, this is where it'll go and review any product online. When we're clicking the Amazon, it will bring in the images from Amazon for us, okay? It will do YouTube posts, and it will even do RSS feeds. And it's really straightforward and simple. You give it a name, you put in a website link here, and that will take the content from that and create a unique article for you. You put content, and basically, all you're doing is you're going down. By the time you get to the bottom here, you click on create, and it will create an article for you, okay? So let's go ahead and have a look at one. So if we just go over here into reviews, I'll go in here and I'll show you one that we did. One that's also, by the way, is ranking over on Google, okay? So if we come down here and go to this one over here, this koala writer. Is this the best AI writer? All I had to do for this article here was simply, I'll show you now, click on view official website. All I had to do was take the link to the homepage here, and then the software will go ahead and create all of the content inside of the, oh, what's happened there? What's happened? Oh, there we go, we're back. I don't know what happened, sorry. So yeah, so all I do is I give the software this link up here, and then it creates this full article for me, including bringing in videos from YouTube. It lays out a table of contents for us. It even goes ahead, brings in images from the website, and we can see on here it's got product specifications, pricing on here, and lots more. It's genuinely brilliant. So how am I, using this AI Wise Mind software to create content for this website and other ones? Well, really simply, at the beginning of the month, what I do is I'll show you. So if I come into campaigns, I will come in here and I will give it content, and we can see over here these ones are active. I will give it content to start creating based around some different keywords, and then it will create the content for us, and you can drip feed this, as you can see over here. I've got 20 articles of 25 that have gone out so far, so another 5 articles will be going over onto that website. So I'm not going to go through all of everything in this video with you, because if you use the link down below, it will take you over to my website, and I've got a full video walking you through this, how to set up the campaigns inside of here, and lots more. But that is basically the method and the concept. It is, we are using AI software and tools to create automated websites. And in terms of mine, so mine's coming up to 2 months old now. I'll show you the numbers for this. So again, you can see everything I'm telling you is true, and I am actually doing this method myself. It's not just a random website. So let's refresh this inside of Google Analytics, and hopefully it will be on this website over here. So yeah, you can see up here, look, we make money with AI. Let's go to, so this is showing me the users. If we scroll down here, we can see organic Google search. So we've got this over here, look, how to make money with automated websites. That's a review article. People are going over to the reviews. Koala Writer, how I make, what's that? YouTube Shorts, Opus Clip Review, and also Gizmo AI Review. So I've got this software just literally creating content every single day for me. And you can see here, since we started this, where's it gone? This website over here. Yeah, this one over here, this We Make Money with AI. We've had 258 users, 452 sessions, and in total 1,200 views. Now, those numbers are nowhere near what we saw over here, over on Facebook, but we do not have, I mean, 15,000 articles so far. It's just crazy. We've probably got on this website about 200, 250, something like that. Yeah, about that. So the plan with this website for me personally moving forward is we're just going to keep on creating content and more than likely focusing on these reviews over here, because obviously inside of a review article we can put affiliate links in and be building a passive income, whereas websites like this one over here, they're focusing purely on making money with ads. And let me just close this because it's driving me nuts. It's just slowing down my whole laptop. There we go. So yeah, look, that is today's video. If you've got any questions about this or you have any comments, then please let me know. But it's just insane, isn't it, that we can use AI, and yeah, the numbers for that website are definitely going in the right direction. So yeah, take care. I'll see you soon.